All right, friends, next we're gonna move on to math. You're gonna need your math book today. You're gonna need your crayons, a pencil, actually not a pencil today, and your pack of stickers. So your math book, your crayons, and a pack of stickers. You can get those things ready, and I'm gonna first read you the story, the number 2 story. So it's called 2 Bunny Slippers. Now this is the number 2. This is the word 2. So you can show 2 as a number. You can show 2 as a word. To spell the word 2, it's T-W-O. Both of these mean 2. So the little girl is named Lottie. Lottie loved her 2 slippers, the left one and the right. But when she slipped them off at night, oh my, was it a sight. Look it. You see, that pair of slippers hopped around her room. They come to life at night. They chatted with 2 teddy bears, and they gazed up at the moon. They hopped into a corner where they met a spider friend who invited them to a 2 o'clock tea with dolls named Anne and Ken. The cupcakes were amazing. The carrots were divine. But the party got exciting when Hank the cat arrived. Oh my gosh. Hank is, I think, Lottie's real cat, and he jumped onto the table. Look at everything going crazy and flying everywhere and making a mess. But the friends look like they don't mind. They're having fun. Hank liked those 2 slippers, and so he tried them on. Then he chased his tail in circles until the break of dawn. And the friends like it again. They think Hank is funny. After that, the pair of slippers hopped back to Lottie's side. They wanted to be ready when she opened up her eyes. Do you think they needed to sleep and take a break, or they just played all night and then they were ready to go? I don't know. All right, so it says we're gonna find things that have 2. Show me 2 on your fingers. 2, easy, right? 1, 2. So it says 2 boots. Look with your eyes, see if you can find the 2 boots. 1, 2. 2 umbrellas. 2 umbrellas. 1, 2. 2 hats for a head. See if you can find the hats. 1, 2. 2 warm bunny slippers. Oh, we know those slippers. 1, 2. And 2 mittens that are red. There they are hanging. 1, 2. And then it says, what other sets of 2 do you see? I see 2 red shoes. I was going to say 2 blocks, but then I saw one here, and that makes 3, so not 2 blocks. 2 blue buckets, 2 pink shoes, 2 books, I think that's it. And then the rhyme at the end. It says, let's clap 2 times and touch the ground. Let's jump 2 times and spin around. Let's stomp 2 times and cheer and shout for a wonderful number we can't live without. 2. There's that word 2 again. T-W-O. All right, so now you're going to get your math book and your crayons and your stickers. And we are going to open it up. We already did page 1. Remember? Yeah. We already did page 1, and now we're going to work on the second page. I'm going to flip this back, And I'm gonna turn it like this today so you can see it when I'm working on it. All right, so it says, we've got some teddy bears. We've got 2 rows of teddy bears. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. 4 and 4 make how many all together? Can you count them right now and figure out how many all together? I'll give you some time. And then we will count them all together. So right now, you count them by yourself. All right, let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work. All right, and you're gonna take some stickers. I want you to pick today stickers that have different colors. See how these apples are all the same? We don't want to use the apples today. Maybe some stars or something like this. Yeah, I'm going to use these ones. So only on the top row of bears, the 4, I'm going to put 4 different colored stars on their bellies. So I'm going to give this one a blue star. Ooh. I'm going to give this one a green star. Now, I can't use blue and green again because I already did. So I need to come up with 2 different colors. Here's a different color. This one is red. I'm going to give this one a red star on his belly. And the last one, I'm going to give him yellow. So I have a red bear, a blue bear, a green bear, a red bear, and a yellow bear. What you're going to do next is you're going to use your crayons and you're going to color the teddy bear right underneath him to match. So since he has a blue star on his belly, I'm going to color this one blue. And when we use our math book, TK, we always use crayons. If we were to use markers in our math book, the markers would go through the paper. It's called they would bleed through and they would kind of ruin our book. So we always want to use crayons. What color on the next one? Now yours might look different than mine because you might have chosen different stickers. You might have chosen the pink sticker. So you would make sure that your teddy bear would be matching yours. But mine here is green, so I'm gonna make sure this guy is green. But if you chose different stickers, you're gonna make sure that yours matches the stickers that you chose. We've got red, and my last color is yellow. Remember, yours probably look different. I can't wait to see what stickers you chose and what colors you used to match. Just make sure they're the same. They're matching. All right. Then we're gonna turn our page, and on the very back, we're gonna practice our number 2. Now remember the little rhyme for number 1? It says, come straight down and that is all. Come straight down and that is all. Come straight down and that is all. That's how we write the number 1. But 2, it's different. It goes, curl around and slide to the right. Curl around and slide to the right. Curl around and slide to the right. That's how we write the number 2. Do you remember how to do rainbow writing? We have to choose 6 colors. Are you ready? Red, orange, we're making a rainbow. Yellow, green, blue, purple. Get your rainbow colors ready. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. All right, I'm gonna put them over here. I'm gonna leave them in order, and we're gonna start with our red. And remember, we're gonna start on the dot and we're gonna just write the number 2 all the way to the bottom, and then we're gonna switch colors. So it says, curl around and slide to the right. Change my color. Curl around and slide to the right. Change my color. Curl around and slide to the right. That's how we write the number 2. So far I did red, orange, yellow. That's the first part of the rainbow. Then I'm going to use the rest of them. Green, blue, and then purple. Curl around and slide to the right. Curl around and slide to the right. One more. Ooh. Curl around and slide to the right. That's how we write the number 2. Easy peasy. At the beginning of TK, our math book is very easy, okay? So it'll get a little bit harder, but first we have to practice writing those numbers. And if you want, this is something else we can do. Using the rainbow colors we used, see if you can draw your own 2. I'm gonna do a red one. I'm gonna do an orange one. I'm gonna make a yellow one. A green one. A blue one. And a purple one. See if you can practice writing your 2s. If it's a little bit tricky, keep practicing. Sometimes you need the help of a grown-up's hand to show you the way. So if you're having trouble, ask mommy and daddy. Say, can you show me with your hand? And they can put their hand on top of yours and guide your hand to show you the correct way to make the 2. But we'll do so much more practice with 2s. So don't worry if it's hard right now.